Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the FIGHT token. Now the FIGHT token just recently came out 16 hours ago as of recording this video. It is trending number 3 right now in the deck screener section. Now the avatar, the profile picture for this token is, Trump holding up the fist. And of course that is trending right now because of the ear incident that happened last night. There's going to be a crazy amount of ear tokens being made and listed today. And so I did a video earlier on one with the ticker symbol EAR called the EAR Stays On. And that token is already listed on LBank. All these tokens, though, can be sketchy because they're brand new. I just saw a token called 50 Trump, which is based off 50 Cent and Donald Trump, get rich or die trying. And that one was at a $20 million market cap, and I saw it go down 99%, basically get rugged. So that's crazy. This token, though, the FIGHT token, has a liquidity lock at least, and we're going to talk about that. But just be aware, there's going to be tons of ear-related Trump tokens today. Some of them are going to do very well and continue to do well. And some of them are going to be rugs, and some of them are going to be pump and dumps. And there's just going to be a crazy amount of these ear tokens today. So we're going to go over a couple of them at least. I'm going to post some videos today. One of them is called Whiff Ear, so check that one out. That one's trending number 2 on Deck Screener. But this one is trending number 3. So we're going to talk about this token's got a huge market cap. It's up a huge amount. It's got a huge 24-hour trading volume. And we're going to go over all the info on the FIGHT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So it says, fight for your bags, fight for your chain, fight for your freedom. FIGHT was taken over by the actual community. It says here July 13th. This site was made by a community member to provide safe links and information. If you want to ticker symbol fight for your bags, why are you here? Then it has the contract address on their webpage. It says, disclaimer, this FIGHT token is a meme token with no intrinsic value. Has a link to their Telegram and their webpage and their Twitter, and you can find this on their webpage, hesaidfight.com. Now, I saw this webpage linked on their Deck Screener chart, so that's also where you can find the webpage, the Twitter, the Telegram, but then also the chart, the price, and all these statistics on this token. So this token is doing insanely well right now. It is up 18,649% in the past 24 hours. The token, it says, just came out 16 hours ago, has a 24-hour trading volume of $26.2 million. Now, just be aware that these tokens, even if they have liquidity locks, can still be a huge pump and dump if, whales own large amounts of tokens and decide to sell off, or the dev or whatever. It says this is a community takeover, so the dev should be, gone if that's the case. But there could be other ways. I mean, anything could happen in crypto. Let's just be clear on that here. Now, they have a market cap of $11.4 million. That's also their fully diluted valuation. They have a little bit over $500,000 in liquidity. So there's $505,000 in liquidity in Raydium. And according to Deck Screener, 88.57% of that total liquidity is locked and burned. Token price right now is about 1.16 cents per token. trending number 3 still. So they've had 244,450 transactions in the past 16 hours, basically. On DEX Screener, it says a community claimed ownership of this token July 14th. This is an actual CTO. The man said, fight for your bags, fight for your life, fight for something. So, I mean, if you're living under a rock, I mean, you should check out the news and you'll see what happened, why all these tokens are coming out and why they're so popular. Trump is a big supporter of Bitcoin and crypto and made a lot of statements and speeches about that. And those have been reposted all over the place. And that's why the crypto community, a lot of the people rally behind Trump and has made tons of meme coins related to him, like the Maga token, the Trump token, the you name it. And so now, on top of all those tokens that already existed, now we have these ear-related incident tokens that have just come out. So stay tuned for a few of those today. Now, there's not going to be tons of info on this token because it's very much just a meme token, a community takeover token. Their Telegram is at FightCTO, has 464 subscribers on there. You can preview the channel before joining, but that's going to be a great place to see updates regarding this project. And if you wanted to get this token, if you're looking to get it, all you would have to do, first of all, you need a wallet for Solana tokens. So you could get a Soulflare wallet, you can get a Trust wallet, Phantom wallet. You would fund that wallet with Sol, and you can fund it from a central exchange, and there's a list of central exchanges down there in the description box, a bunch of links, so you click on any one of those referral codes, and then you would open an account on there, get some Sol, and then fund your, say, your Phantom wallet with Sol, go into the dApps and find Raydium or Jupiter, and then you would trade your Sol for the Fight token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage or their DEX Screener chart, or they're going to be also on DEX Tools, Raydium, DEX Tools, Bird Eye, DEX Screener, SoulScan, any of these places you can find the contract address. Just make sure you have the right contract address, and you may not have to set slippage because I don't see anything about taxes. And yeah, let me know in the comments, since I am not a financial advisor, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.